we will start with making our very delicious peanut butter banana shake. Alright. So first of all, what do we need? We need a mixer jar. What do we need is our peanut butter. Then we need half a glass of milk. This is cold milk. Then I'm using honey to sweeten the shake. I'm not using sugar. And what else? We need banana. So this is a frozen banana. I sliced it and froze it in the freezer. So this is very cold. Last what we need is some chocolate biscuits. Any chocolate biscuits what you have. I have Oreos with me. I'll be using Oreos. Alright. So now let's start. I'm taking the mixer grinder. What I'm doing is I'm adding milk to it. So you can use almonds, you can use walnuts, whichever nuts you like. Okay. Then I'm opening this packet of Oreos and I'm adding 3 Oreos, and then we have a peanut butter. So we'll take a spoon. Alright, you can even add more if you like peanut butter a lot. You can add little more peanut butter. It's up to you. We need to add honey. The main hero, who is it? The bananas. So we are putting in a banana. So this is my glass. This is summer season, so we need something cold and tasty, right? I'm going to pour in my shake. Alright? It is so thick and so nice, and it's smelling so good. I'll just take little more Oreos. I'll just break one Oreo biscuit and just put it on the top. Okay? So here is our yummy peanut butter banana shake with Oreo biscuits. I need a mug which can go into a microwave. I need flour. This is maida, the normal flour maida. Then I need cocoa powder. Then I have brown sugar. Then I'm using oil. This is the normal cooking oil what mama uses in the kitchen. You can use oil, you can use butter, you can use coconut oil. This is the refined oil. Alright? Refined sunflower oil. I need few chocolate chips. So next we need few Oreos. So I'm using a spoon. This is my spoon. What I'll do is 3 spoons of maida, or the all-purpose flour what we call it. So I have already measured this. I'm going to add this to my mug. And I have also added a pinch of salt to this maida. And I had given it a mix. So next, what I'm adding is 1.5 spoon of cocoa powder. Then we have the brown sugar. And now I'm adding chocolate chips. And now give it a stir. Mix it. So it is looking like this now. Now we are adding oil. So how much oil? Again 1.5 spoon of oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use butter, melted butter, or you can use sunflower oil. So I need to get milk. Give me a second, I'll just get milk. See, I'll just look at this. You can see the white of Oreos. This is all chocolate. This is a microwave brownie.